My name is Tugelo Masugela. I'm from Free State and I'm standing here to represent my company name. Basically, my name, the registered company that I have now is TDK Complex Services, and one of the services that we're going to be giving out is called TDK Wellbeing and Splendor Inn. Basically what happens is this: when people, ladies, when they go out and to fix their hair salons, they have regrets. More you find especially that when they go to the hair salon, in most of the times they will not be carrying their families with. But we putting on the market is this: when you come to our hair salon, you bring the whole family. When you walk into the hair salon, we will give you a tablet and you will access the free internet services in our hair salon. And what we also putting is that we will be giving back to the families. The market is a premium. We're targeting females between the age of 25 and 35 who are having basic salaries between 8,000 and 16,000. On Sundays, we'll be giving back to the community. How? We will be calling all our premium members to bring in their elderlies, anyone who's above 55 and above of their family members, to come in, and we'll be treating them free. What is it that we bring in into the market which is different from everyone else? First, internet access when you come in. If you are a premium member, what will happen is this: when you walk into the space, we will give you a tablet which is loaded with music, movies, documentaries, unlike other companies which will give you magazines. And what we'll also do in our space, we will check your emails, we will type for you 5 pages, bind them and send emails for you, all facts. And what we'll also do, we'll give you health counseling holistically, meaning lifestyle will be talked about. We'll talk about relationships, and we'll also advise more on skin and hair, because basically what I'm studying is related to health sciences. So I'll bring myself and my colleagues, only professionals, and we'll also employ from universities of technologies, people who know the specialty behind hair, and we'll let them help you. Where is it going to be placed? It's going to be placed in one of the greatest malls in South Africa. It can either be in Cavendish, Canal Walk, or in Waterfront. So ladies and gentlemen, if I get this chance, I will bring into South Africa a salon that will invite the family, the whole family at once. So the husband will get a free haircut, manicure or full body massage. The wife will also get a manicure, a pedicure and treatment. There are 3 memberships. So basically TDK Complex is what you're looking for.